Well, as you can tell, got the speaker rings done, and not much of that door panel's left. Anyway, we're back out here working on the back door panels. There has been a slight change of plans. We were going to do the 3 6.5s, but due to the size of these door panels, there's just no way they're going to fit and look good. So we knocked it down to just the 2 6.5s. So now we're going to have an 8, 2 6.5s, and 3 tweeters in each of the back doors. That just wasn't any way to make it look good and keep the 3 6.5s. So this is pretty much going to be the layout. Now you got to start putting it together. You got to get it covered, fiberglassed, and we'll go back through the whole process that we did on the front door panels. So we're gonna jump on this, try and get it knocked out. Okay, so far this is what we got. I actually have the other door panel in the car right now. I was gonna make sure that this 6.5 is gonna clear the seat, and unfortunately I'm gonna have to move this. Got to move it that way about, I don't know, inch and a half maybe. I still have to do the tweeters. These two should be fine. As you can see, that is the speaker ring that I'm going to have to move. It's actually hitting this trim piece right here. So we're going to have to move that one. May have to make my little stand right here shorter. I believe that this one is going to clear the seat. It's going to be close, but that one right there definitely going to have to be moved. Okay, another change of plans. The 6.5 that was right here that I thought was going to clear the seat is still going to hit the seat. So we're going to have to figure out how to get that speaker, the 6.5, and then the other 6.5 that'll go somewhere in here. We're going to have to figure out how to get those to clear. I still have to pull that one off of that door panel. So we're going to try and make them fit. We'll get them in there somehow. This should be the final layout of the rear door panels. A lot different than the original plan, but this is what I had to do to make them all fit. I may have to trim the door a little bit for this one, because I had to put it way back lower, but this one clears the seat, all the tweeters clear, so we're going to run with this. I'm about to stick it in the car and kind of test fit it, make sure we're not going to hit anything. I actually kind of like the way it came out this way. Hopefully the owner likes it too. So we're going to do a test fit and then we're going to go from there. Alright, we got the door panel put in the car. That's what it's going to look like kind of when the door opens. Shut the door. Can't shut it all the way because I don't have a door handle to grab. But the only place that's tight is right here. And what I may do is clean that edge up so it creates a little bit more room. But we're clearing the seat down there. All the tweeters are freed up. Not going to be hitting anything. Alright, so we got the door panel pulled back out of the car. We know everything's going to clear on that one. Now we've got to make this one match that one. Of course, I got all my speaker rings back there. Got me some little wood pieces from when I was trying to get everything to fit. See what of that I can use or I can reuse. And we're going to try and get this thing together. If we get it together, we're going to start wrapping them and doing some fiberglass work. We got our other door panel put together. Got it in the car, checking it out. Everything looks good. So there's a shot of what the other side will look like. Got a few more small things I'm going to do, then we're going to start doing some fiberglass. Alright, we got both our rear door panels wrapped in fleece. That is the passenger side. Kind of give you an idea of what it's really going to look like when it's done. And then there's a shot of the driver's side. It's going to be pretty wild looking. And like I keep saying, this car is going to be very loud. Even though we had to take 1 6.5 off each back door because we're not going to make them fit, but it wouldn't have looked right. It honestly would have looked like crap. But I'm glad we did that. Turned out real nice. Flows pretty good. So now we're going to take these back out. Everything fits up pretty good. We're going to get some resin on them and go from there. Try and get them fiberglassed. Alright, got our first coat of resin on both door panels. Took a lot more resin than I thought, but you know, that's part of it, using this fleece. Some of it can be thicker than others. No biggie. We got the resin on it, waiting on it to dry. When it dries, we're going to sand it down and start laying our fiberglass mat. And after that, we'll cut the back out of them, start trying to finish them up. May not get to it in this video, but we're going to get as far as we can. The last day I got to work on it this week. Been pretty busy lately. Had to work some overtime at my actual job. And then the few little problems we ran into getting these things to fit, figuring out the speaker layout. So get as much done as we can, go from there. Well, we got one door panel sanded down for the most part, getting it ready for some more fiberglass. And I started on this one. Unfortunately, I realized I don't have any resin left. I used it all. I thought I had some more, but apparently I don't. So that being said, that's gonna be it for this video. Pretty much all I got left to do right now is I'll probably sand out a little bit more. There's a few places I want to hit again and finish this one up. And then next week I'll go hunt down some more resin and we'll get these things fiberglassed. So, as always, if you like the video, drop me a like, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Consider subscribing. We'll see y'all next time.